Hey guys, this is Chris with C&L Collectibles. Glad to be back with you guys, breaking some boxes. We did some breaks last week, but it was the Leaf Ultimate Draft stuff, so seems like college ball to me. Glad to be back with some NFL stuff. Tonight's break starts at 7 o'clock. We're just a little bit early, so while I got you, let me just remind everybody to follow me on eBay so you can see my other listings coming up, and be sure to check my store out. We got a lot of baseball stuff, some basketball stuff, got some football stuff, got breaks coming up, more to be listed, so check all that out. We got some NASCAR replica stuff, cool stuff. What we got on there now? We got a Todd Gurley jersey. I think it's at like $31 or something. So be sure to check that out. Alright, this is our break schedule for this weekend. Today's April 15th, tax day. We're going to do two box mixer, number 48. Here first, it's Topps Platinum and Panini Clear Vision. And then coming up later tonight is another two-box mixer, and it's going to be Panini Certified and Topps High Tech. That's at 8 o'clock. Tomorrow night, we got Leaf Ultimate Draft 3-box break at 7 p.m. That's ending tonight on eBay, so if you got time, go check it out. There's still several spots open there. And then Sunday night, we've got basically the same thing we got tonight. We're going to repeat Sunday night. So anyway, all the breaks are going to be uploaded to YouTube within 24 hours. I'll send a link to everybody so you guys will have it. Watch it whenever you want to. All cards are going to go to the name printed on the card in the case, not the uniform. So we're going to, if you got a guy that's got traded or something, we're going to go with the name on the card, not the uniform he's in. Team name, that is. If there's multiple ownership on a card, we'll go to random.org, randomize it 5 times. Whoever's on top will get the card. And I think that's it. These breaks for Sunday night are still on eBay as well. I think they end tomorrow night. Got some guys getting in the chat room with us. Glad to see y'all in there. Alright, let's see. Let's run down the list. Like I said, it's April 15th, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is a 2-box mixer, break number 48. Both boxes are 2015. One's Topps Platinum, one's Panini Clear Vision. So, going down the list, got a familiar crowd tonight. Gamecock Neil, longtime breaker with us, got the Cardinals. Cards on deck 11's got the Falcons, new breaker with us. Coach 88 Ken, a returning breaker's got the Ravens. Gamecock Neil's got the Bears. Coach 88 Ken's got the Bengals and the Browns. Looks like he's got the Broncos too. 845 Jay Bartles, a new breaker. Glad to have you. He's got the Cowboys. Gamecock Neil's got the Lions. Coach 88 Ken got the Packers, Colts. Red Dog Martin's a longtime breaker with us, got the Dolphins. Dirtbag 1 2013's got the Vikings, new breaker. Glad to have you. Coach 88 Ken racking up the spots. Patriots, Saints, Giants, Jets. Ernest Halleck, returning breaker. Glad to have you. Raiders. Coach 88 Ken's got the Steelers. TD Hand, new breaker with us. Glad to have you tonight. He's got the Rams. Ernest Halleck has got the Chargers. Coach 88 Ken's got the 49ers. Gamecock Neil back with the Seahawks. Ernest Halleck's got the Buccaneers. Lindsay 2004's got the Titans. And Bandit 8873, returning breaker, has got the Redskins. So that's it. The majority of our spots got sold tonight. So good luck, everybody. Here's our 2 boxes. Let's do the Clear Vision first. Panini Clear Visions. Got some nice cards. Only thing I don't like about them is this clear box. Makes it hard for me to see where to open it. There's going to be 6 packs in here, 3 cards in each pack. So that's 18 cards. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, good luck everybody. Well, good luck to me getting the things open. Let's see. Lindsay, go look in that box up there and get me a blank. The top box. Hang on guys, I'm gonna get a blank so you guys can see these cards a little better. Yeah, it'll help them focus too. There's a Sam Bradford. Yeah, is there... Yeah, no, that'll work. Okay. Here we go. All right, sorry about that, guys. All right, Sam Bradford, Eagles. Sean Mannion, nice low number, 2 out of 10 for the Rams. Speaking of the Rams, oh, and here's the Titans right behind them. I was just fixing to speak of them too. Sound like they're doing some swapping and trading. Got our #1 pick spot, but Bishop Sankey for the Titans. We got lots of picks out of it. I think that's going to be a whole lot better for us than the #1 pick. So we'll see how that plays out this season. All right, pack number 2. We got Eddie Lacy for the Packers. We've got a Steve Young, clear vision, stained glass look there. Steve Young, 49ers, and Peyton Manning for the Colts. Right. Pack number 3. There's where I got one open. Oh, they gave me another blank. Choose mine, I like it better. All right, Alshon Jeffrey for the Bears. Come on, baby. Got a blank card. Got Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. I got back-to-back Vikings. Jerick McKinnon. Back-to-back Vikings. All right, what's this? Pack number 4. Come on. All right, we got a Drew Brees for the Saints. We've got a blue Nelson Aguilar rookie vision card. Oh, come on, focus, baby. There we go. Nelson Aguilar. All right, and the last card in that pack is Jordan Matthews for the Eagles. All right, moving on to pack number 5. First up, San Diego Chargers, Keenan Allen. Pittsburgh Steelers, Jesse James. And Doug Flutie, rookie revision for the Bears. All right, last pack. A big hit should be in here. see what we got here. First up's Dan Marino for the Dolphins. Next up is Teddy Bridgewater for the Vikings. And the hit is going to go to Titans. My daughter's got all the Titan spots, so she's over here flipping out. Patch card, Kendall Wright, numbered 5/99. Good looking card. I like those clear vision. Those things are super thick. Alright, so that's your clear visions for tonight. Clear off some of my trash. Alright, next up's the Topps Platinum. One box. We got 20 packs in here. 5 cards in each pack. As you can see there, 2 rookie autographs plus 1 autograph patch card in here. I like these. There's a lot of cards in here. Usually everybody gets something. You know what? Yeah, let me take them out. I got gold cards and die cut cards and parallels, and it's a good set to open. Alright, 20 packs. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's our 20 packs. Alright, let's get started on them. Good luck again to everybody. Alright, first up, Broncos, Emmanuel Sanders. Next up's the Chiefs, Travis Kelce. Seahawks, Richard Sherman. Looks like we got a hit right off the bat. And Eric Armstead for the 49ers. Auto. Nice refractor. Let's see what number we got there. Got a 15/50. Not bad. 15/50. Auto for the 49ers. And we got the Ravens, Javaris Allen. Pack number 2. First up's the Panthers, Luke Kuechly. Cowboys, Tony Romo. Eagles, Sam Bradford. Got a gold Tony Romo, Cowboys. And Trey Waynes for the Vikings. Cards going everywhere. Alright, pack number 3. Alright, first up's Jimmy Graham, Seahawks. Patrick Peterson for the Cardinals. Got an X Factor Jay Ajayi for the Dolphins. A gold Tim Jennings, Bears. Jameis Winston, Buccaneers. All right, pack number 4. Let's see, looks like the Packers are up first. Got Clay Matthews, Tim Jennings for the Bears, Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. A gold Richard Sherman, Seahawks. And Carlos Williams for the Bills. Got a 3-box break of Leaf Ultimate Draft ending tomorrow night. Got several more boxes left in the case. I think I'm going to hold on to them till the draft's over, so should have some good rookie autographs available. Panthers, Greg Olson. Odell Beckham Jr., Giants. Teddy Bridgewater for the Vikings. A Sapphire Jeremy Langford for the Bears. And for the Colts, Philip Dorsett. And speaking of those rookie autographs, we just broke a case of those over the past week or so. Out of that case, I've got about 30 left. So the night of the draft, we're going to be posting those up for their NFL teams. Everything's going to go up 99 cents. Mike Evans for the Buccaneers. I'd say the best card I got right now is a 1/20 gold Carson Wentz autograph. That one will be up draft night for 99 cents. Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. Latavius Murray for the Raiders. Travis Kelce, gold card for the Chiefs. Vince Mayle for the Browns. Don't want to focus, too shiny. All right, pack number next. Got a Peyton Manning for the Broncos. Got Justin Forsett for the Ravens. Got an X Factor Brandon Sheriff for the Redskins. A gold Teddy Bridgewater, Vikings. And for the Raiders, Amari Cooper. All right, Dolphins are up first. Jordan Cameron. Darrelle Revis for the Jets. C.J. Mosley for the Ravens. Gold card, Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants. And a David Cobb, Titans. Straighten up, guys. All right, first up, Robert Quinn with the Rams. Marcel Darius for the Bills. Got a die-cut Todd Gurley. Looks like breast cancer awareness. Nice shiny chrome card. Got a gold Greg Olson for the Panthers. And for the Titans, Marcus Mariota. No. Sorry guys, my little puppy's over here rummaging through my trash looking for some packages to chew on. Alright, looks like we got a hit in this pack. Alright, first up is the Falcons, Justin Hardy. We got a gold card, Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. And we got a Sammy Coates for the Pittsburgh Steelers. 2-color patch. Nice little piece of stitching there. Autograph. And that is a 35/99. Sammy Coates. Come on. Rookie refractor patch card. Auto. Good looking card for the Steelers. Set that over there. Alright, let's slide these back before I knock them everywhere and move on. This pack number 11. Halfway through the break on the Platinums. Hope everybody's enjoying it so far. Vernon Davis for the 49ers. DeAndre Levy for the Lions. Got an X Factor Bryce Petty for the Jets. We got a gold Emmanuel Sanders. Not sure why that one was in there backwards. Come on, baby. There we go. And Jamison Crowder for the Redskins, finishing up that pack. All right, pack number 12. These packs open a lot easier in those clear vision. All right, Miami Dolphins, Ndamukong Suh. Got Mario Williams for the Buffalo Bills. Julian Edelman for the Patriots. A gold Drew Brees for the Saints. And Devin Smith for the Jets. Pack number 13. Got Kelvin Benjamin, Panthers. Julio Jones for the Falcons. Ben Roethlisberger for the Steelers. And looks like we got an auto, a sapphire auto, Amir Abdullah for the Lions, and that is numbered 51/150. Amir Abdullah for the Lions. And Kevin White for the Bears finishes up that pack. What did we say? That was 13, so it's pack 14. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. C.J. Anderson for the Broncos. Jason Pierre-Paul for the Giants. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. And Amir Abdullah for the Lions. All right, Green Bay Packers, Randall Cobb. Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Ryan Tannehill for the Dolphins. A gold Clay Matthews. And Max Williams for the Ravens. And I think this is pack 16. Yeah, pack 16. A little over 3/4 of the way, and we come across Andrew Luck for the Colts. Got Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers. Another Colt, Dwayne Allen. Got a die cut Platinum Players, Jimmy Graham for the Seahawks. And we got Tevin Coleman, Falcons. All right, pack number 17. Joe Hayden for the Browns. Cameron Wake, Dolphins. Gerald McCoy for the Buccaneers. Sam Bradford for the Eagles, gold card. And Garrett Grayson, Saints. All right, pack number 18. All right, first up's Deshaun Jackson, Redskins. AJ Green for the Bengals. An X Factor Clive Walford for the Raiders. Jimmy Graham gold card, Seahawks. And Ty Montgomery for the Packers. Pack number 19. Antonio Brown for the Steelers. Colin Kaepernick, 49ers. Drew Brees for the Saints. Got a gold Patrick Peterson, Cardinals. And Duke Johnson for the Browns. All right, guys, as this break comes to a close, this is pack number 20. Last pack tonight. Appreciate everybody joining me, letting me break these open. Martellus Bennett for the Bears. Sammy Watkins for the Bills. Got an X Factor Sammy Coates for the Steelers. A gold Luke Kuechly. And our last card in this break is a Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles. All right, so that's it tonight, guys. There's the cards. We'll get them packaged up and mailed out. Hope to see you guys in some of the upcoming breaks. Don't forget, got Leaf Ultimate Draft ending in just a couple hours tonight. Still time to get in on that. Get some hot rookie autos. 5 cards in each box. Every card's an auto. Going to do 3 boxes. Then we got more breaks coming up Sunday night, so get in on them and keep an eye on my store for any cards that didn't sell. We'll post them up. Most of them start at 99 cents. So that's it. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.